New Destin Customize Right Angle Micro HDMI to HDMI Cable 2K, 4K, 8K.
And this cable is micro HDMI to HDMI A port. This is HDMI D port. Very smallest of the HDMI type, D port. And this is A port. This we customize the right angle HDMI D port. Here could customize your logo. And for the slim connector of the D port, the cable we normally customize from 1 meter to 3 meter. And this one is only 14 centimeter. And also some clients customize 15 centimeter or 60 centimeter, both okay. And this is the HDMI D port to A port. Also we call the micro HDMI to HDMI cable.